If you're looking to buy a house, who would you trust to help you find the best deal possible? A real estate agent, right? Well, that's true. It is imperative that you have the right agent working for you on your behalf. I'm going to talk about your relationship with a buyer's agent, and I'll discuss the benefits as well in the next video about what your arrangement can consist of. Now, a buyer's agent is a real estate agent who represents the person on the buying side of the real estate transaction. That's you, the buyer. The agent on the selling side of the transaction represents the seller, who is often referred to as the listing agent. Now, the listing agent is there to serve the seller, which means they are interacting with a lot of different buyers. Now, signing a brokerage agreement with the buyer's agent will give you a great advantage in understanding the process, and you'll have an agent looking out for your best interest. While having that agency agreement to get the best service is what you want. This is the best move that you can make. Just so you know, you could work without an agreement. A lack of guarantee on both of your parts could lead to a lackluster process, which could affect your closing ability. Not only will this ensure that you get the best service, but it offers written protection and guarantees that comes in handy during the buying process. My next video will be on the benefits of having an agent. I hope you guys can tune into my channel, share and like my page as well. You can contact me at DannyRockinRealEstate.com, or please call, text, or email me, because I love doing what number one expects. You have a great afternoon.